The Quran challenged those who doubt its divine origin to create a forest or a single tree. Another challenge is directed to humanity and jinn to create a fly or retrieve what a fly pilfers from their possessions. Finally, God challenged them to create a human being and provide its sustenance, determine its death, and then resurrect him. So, I remind this challenge to all skeptics, atheists, and whoever disbelieved that the Quran is a revelation from God to create, if they can, a tree, a fly, or even a single human being. Quran 20-273, O people, a parable is presented. So listen to it. Those you invoke besides God will never create a fly, even if they banded together for that purpose. And if the fly steals anything from them, they cannot recover it from it. Weak are the pursuer and the pursued. Quran 30 verse 40, God is he who created you, then provides for you, then makes you die, then brings you back to life. Can any of your idols do any of that? Quran 27-60, who created the heavens and the earth, and rains down water from the sky for you. With it we produce gardens full of beauty, whose trees you could not have produced. Click the link in my bio to get Quran Unbroken Challenges on Amazon.